When I tried to launch the game, I got this error. Denuvo tried to revoke license. To fix this problem, click on OK. Close tab here and go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Game has added to this list. Go back to virus and threat protection and select protection history. Select threat found and select yes option. As you can see, game related file. Select the action and select allow on device option and select yes. Click on the drop down in threat quarantine. Select action and select restore option. Do the same thing for others listed. In my case, I restored two files. Once you're done, just close tab here and launch the game. Select this two. Now the game opens. The game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.